Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 Mercedes-Benz S550 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 4.6 V8 twin turbo pushing out 429 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior, burl walnut wood trim, sunroof. Plenty of space in the back. We got our S550 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of all-season floor mats. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package. We've got heated and cooled seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls, push start ignition, Harman Kardon sound system, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, cup holders, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, economy and sports mode. This S550 has 72,217 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550, check out feldmanimports.com.